Hello traders, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about daily stock market update, and we will figure out, is it still bearish market trend on a daily time frame? What's going on? Let's do technical analysis review and we will figure out. As usual, let's move to 5 rules of risk management. Please read it and follow it every single trade and you will be successful. And always remember rule number 2, never add to a losing trade. Now let's move to Webull. Webull, let's start from index chart. Dow Jones minus 1.25%, all day bearish trend, right? S&P 500 minus 1.37%, all day sell off. And Nasdaq minus almost 2%, it was all day sell off. It was even 2.25%. It did bounce at the end of the day, as usually someone is buying at the end of the day. But trend is bearish, right? Now let's move to my watch list and we will do technical analysis review. If you want to learn more about Webull setup, just go to the description. There is the link about Webull setup training and other links about all my trainings. Now let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm using moving averages. White line, it's MA 200. Purple line, it's MA 100. Blue line, it's MA 50. Yellow line, it's MA 20. Red line, it's MA 10. And green line, it's MA 5. MACD indicator lines and RSI indicator lines, and at the same time RSI awesome oscillator bars. That's all, very simple. It's not easy because emotions involved. If you follow the indicators, you will be successful because indicators do not have emotions. Let me show you here. Look at it. My mouse, MA5, green line, did bearish crossover over 10, over red line, right? And this bar moved below MA5 and 10. It is bearish reversal. When bars below MA5, it is bearish, it was bearish trend. When bars moved above MA5, it was bullish trend. Since that time, trend is bullish. Last bar is still above all moving averages, still bullish. This bar looks like a tail bar. Maybe it's a bearish reversal tail bar. Absolutely possible. So far, it's just flat day for USA dollar. It's still in the bullish territory. And remember, when dollar is positive, it's a bearish for equities and negative, and equities and indexes. Now let's start Qs, daily time frame. For swing trading, I'm using 4 hours and daily time frame for entry and exit position for swing trading, right? Okay, let's start Qs. Last bar was rejected from SMA 10 and closed below all moving averages, bearish trend on all indicators, awesome oscillator green. 4 hours time frame. Previous bar was rejected from SMA 20. I told you yesterday this SMA 20 yellow line did bearish crossover. It is very negative, very bearish setup. I don't trust this bull trap. I consider it was a bull trap, and it will be rejected. And I still believe it will be rejected because SMA 20 crossover over 200. It is very negative. 1 hour time frame. Last bar below all moving averages, still bearish trend, and all moving averages below 200, it is bearish territory. VXN volatility index for Nasdaq plus 10.5%, and we know the rule, right? When volatility index plus 10%, it means next of 2 trading sessions will be bounce. It means 85% chance that we will see green day for Qs next 2 days. Now let's move to the SPX. What's going on? Interesting. S&P 500, no quotes. Let's see SPY. What's going on? I'm sorry with my mess. What happened with S&P 500? Okay, let's keep it for now. Volatility index weeks also. S&P 500 was negative today, -1 and 37%. It's a bearish trend for S&P 500 on all time frames. And VIX is bullish today, also plus 20%, almost plus 20, almost 20%. Nice bullish run. It means next 2 days possibility the S&P 500 will have a green day. 85% chance. Now let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones daily time frame. Dow Jones daily time frame. Last bar SMA 5 did move below MA 200. Bearish trend on all indicators on daily time frame for Dow Jones. 4 hours time frame. MA 5, 10 and 20 did bearish crossover over 200. Bearish trend on all indicators. Last bar below all moving averages bearish. 1 hour time frame. Last bar below all moving averages. Bearish trend on all indicators. Dow Jones bearish on all time frames. VXD volatility index for Dow Jones plus 11.5%. Similar story. Next 85% chance next 2 days Dow Jones will be green. Not 100%, just 85%. Because VXD plus 11.5% and last bar closed above MA 200. It is positive bullish. Now let's move to IWM. IWM very negative today, daily time frame. MA 20, 10 and 50 bearish crossover over 200 and last bar below all moving averages. Bearish trend on all indicators. 4 hours time frame. Bearish trend on all indicators, last bar below all moving averages. Bearish trend. And 1 hour time frame for IWM. Remember, Russell 2000 is 200 companies and it's so negative, so bearish. And 1 hour time frame, last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend. Look at it. IWM on all time frames bearish. 1 hour bearish, 4 hours bearish, daily bearish, weekly bearish, monthly bearish, quarterly bearish. Very negative. It is barometer for, it's a meter for USA economy. That's 2000 companies. IWM bearish on all time frames. Okay, Apple. Let's move to Apple daily time frame. Bearish trend, bullish divergences, right? Bearish trend with bullish divergences on all indicators. It means it wants to bounce. It wants bounce. We'll see. We'll see. So far it is bearish trend, right? So far bearish trend. Awesome oscillator has bullish divergence also. Bearish trend. Let's see with bullish divergences. 4 hours time frame. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10. Last bar, yeah, it's still positive. And bullish divergences on all indicators. On 4 hours time frame also. And now let's see 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it's a bearish trend. Last bar below all moving averages, below 20 actually. MA5 below 20. And MA10 did bearish crossover over 20. Bearish kind of, it's very weak bearish trend on 1 hour time frame. And it still has bullish divergences. Tesla, let's see Tesla. Let's see what's going on with Tesla daily time frame. Last bar closed below all moving averages. Still bearish trend on all indicators daily. 4 hours time frame for Tesla, MA5 did bullish crossover, and it was price action was rejected from MA20. Still below MA20 and 5. Still above 200. 200 is strong support, right? In this case, we need to close below 200 to break this support, because 200 is strong support, and it's a lot of supports here at this level, here, over here. It's a lot of supports. Let me show you. See this my line? That line, it touched so many supports. It's a 4 hours time frame. 1 hour time frame, bearish trend on all indicators on 1 hour time frame. Last bar below all moving averages. Nvidia, let's see what's going on with Nvidia. Nvidia daily, it did bullish crossover as MA5 did bullish crossover over 10. Last bar, the previous bar moved about 20. Yesterday it closed about 20, and today it closed below 20. After the bullish reversal, it's still kind of in a fight mode, still kind of positive. 4 hours time frame also bullish, right? Even last bar closed below MA5, but MA5 didn't make bearish crossover yet, still positive bullish on 4 hours time frame. Nvidia very positive, right? On 1 hour time frame, it definitely was rejected from MA200, and it did bearish crossover over 10 and 20 and stopped at MA100. Maybe MA100 will be strong support and it will bounce. Microsoft, let's start Microsoft daily. Yesterday was nice move up, it did move above MA5, 10. Today it closed below MA5 and 10. It closed below all moving averages except 200, bearish trend. 4 hours for Microsoft. Yesterday did nice bounce, nice bullish reversal, and it was rejected, and today last bar closed below all moving averages. It is bearish. And 1 hour time frame, MA5 did bearish crossover, last bar closed below all moving averages, bearish trend. It has bullish divergence, look at it. Price action, actually no, price action is not bearish, it's positive. Still bearish trend. Amazon, let's start Amazon daily time frame. Amazon daily time frame, last bar closed below all moving averages except 200, bearish trend on all indicators. 4 hours time frame. Let me remove this all lines. It's not okay. Last bar closed below, like the same I mentioned yesterday, right? That this MA5 did bullish crossover and bars, they touched SMA 200. I told you it will be rejected because MA20 did bearish crossover at 200. It's very, very negative bearish setup. That's what we observed today. MA20 did bearish crossover. It is bearish trend. Bearish trend. 1 hour time frame. MA5 did bearish crossover, bearish trend on all indicators. Alibaba Group, BABA, daily time frame, last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend on all indicators. 4 hours time frame, last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend on all indicators. And yeah, it's a bearish. And 1 hour time frame, gap down and bearish, flat bearish trend. Let's move to daily again. You see it's a bearish reversal again, right? It's a bearish reversal island. You see it did gap up. For 2 days it was red, and it did bearish reversal gap down. Bearish reversal island. It is bearish trend, bearish trend. Be careful, it's a bearish trend. For Baba, okay, let's do summary. Like already mentioned, dollar is still bullish. It has tail bar. Maybe it will be reversal. We'll see. So far, still bullish. All indexes still bearish on all time frames. Because of the volatility index is positive today, plus 10%. All indexes they have 85% chance to bounce and go green next 2 days, one of the next 2 days, next 48 hours. And that's all. Bearish trend on all indicators, on all time frames for equities and indexes. Bearish trend, right? That's all. Now let's move to disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only. Remember, for educational purpose, we are using paper trading simulator, as long as we need to get constantly profitable at least for 6 months. Thank you for watching simple trading style videos. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please subscribe this YouTube channel, click like button to support this channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.